guys, in this video we are going to talk about how to sell your meme coins on Phantom Wallet. So it's pretty simple. Open up your Phantom Wallet and select the meme coin you want to sell. So you wanna just press swap right here, and then you have to make it the meme coin on the top and then Solana on the bottom, and then you will have to select the amount you want to pay in token denomination, and then you will have to review your address right here or your actual code, which is going to be right here, and you will see high price impact. So that means the difference between the market price and the estimated price is below your trade size. So you also have your provider. It's going to be written right here. So it's pump.fund via Jupiter, and then the price right here is going to be listed. So all you have to do is review this order, and then you can adjust your slippage if it's really high slippage, and then just actually set it to zero point 0.5. That's going to be fine for most trades. And then you will have to review the order and swap the token. And that's how you sell your meme coins on Phantom Wallet.